cube.
Look her into place. Oh yeah, this is nice. Give it a whirl. I'm a little skeptical about this one, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. Hi friend, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole. I've done so many Starbucks drinks on my TikTok and you guys seem to love them. I've gotten a lot of requests to do a full Starbucks drink tutorial here on my YouTube channel, so that's exactly what we're going to do today. I'm gonna give you 5 Starbucks drink recipes that you can make at home. I am no barista, but we're gonna figure it out together. The recipes I've chosen today, they're super yummy, and I'm pretty sure they're easy enough that we can both do them. So, let's cross our fingers, but if you're excited about this video, be sure to give a big thumbs up before we start. And if you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the family. Okay, here's how it's gonna work. I'm gonna give you a coffee recipe, a cold brew recipe, a tea recipe, a Frappuccino recipe, and a refresher recipe. So be sure to watch to the end to see if I make your favorite drink. And if I don't make your favorite drink, comment it below because I have a feeling this is gonna be a fun series. I'm also posting new YouTube shorts, so I'll be posting some of the short videos I've done on TikTok of my Starbucks drink recipes throughout the week, so be sure to check those out. But I say we get to it. The first drink we're gonna make is the caramel macchiato. This is one of the first drinks I ever had at Starbucks when I started drinking coffee. It's actually super simple. When I looked up all the recipes, it's just a few ingredients. The first thing we're gonna do is about a tablespoon of vanilla syrup. I found this at Target just now. It was surprisingly a lot easier to find than I thought it was gonna be. Now we'll get a big handful of ice. Now we're gonna do about a 1/3 cup of milk. I'm just gonna pour it in till it's almost full here. And then 2 shots of espresso. So we're gonna use our machine now. We wanna make sure we get everything in our cup ready because I've heard, I don't really know why, but if you don't use the espresso or mix it with something between like 10 and 15 seconds, the espresso goes flat or it dies or something like that. So we did everything first, and now we're gonna pull our espresso shots. And we gotta press down with this thing. That ought to do it. Here we go. Get this puppy in. Lock her into place. It's kind of stiff. Put a little mug down here to catch it. I've got my caramel ready to go as soon as our espresso comes out. There we go. So quick and easy. I have a feeling this next part is gonna be super pretty. Here we go, we're gonna put it right on top. Oh, yes. Okay, and last but not least is the best part, the caramel drizzle. Oh, I should have caramel drizzled the cup before we started. Dang it. That's okay. Next time. Let me get close so y'all can see. Let's get a good caramel drizzle going here. This is gonna be the end of my caramel. Okay, I'm gonna stir it up a little bit and we're gonna take a sip. Oh, wow. We did pretty good. This is strikingly similar to the one at Starbucks, which is the whole goal. Oh, dang. I'm a big fan of this one. Glad we did this one first, y'all. This is great. Drink number 2. The second drink we're gonna make is the vanilla sweet cream cold brew. This is one of my favorite drinks right now. The recipe also is surprisingly easy. We're gonna start with 1 tablespoon of vanilla syrup in the bottom of our cup, a big handful of ice.
I lost the ice cube.
Shoot. All right, now we're gonna pour some cold brew on top of that. This is just the regular black unsweet cold brew. Got it from Target. I also saw it at Ralph's. There are a lot of different cold brew options to choose from, but I didn't want to get one that already had sugar or flavoring. Some of them had almond milk in them, and some of them were really expensive. So I just went with the plain Starbucks kind, which I feel like is okay because we're making Starbucks drinks. All right, let's get some cold brew going. Just about there because we're gonna put the cream on the top. Oh, this one's gonna be so good. Okay, now we're gonna do about 1/3 cup of heavy whipping cream in a small bowl. There's 1/3 cup. And then we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of vanilla syrup in the cream. Putting our vanilla syrup to good use today. Now I'm gonna froth it with this little milk frother. They have these at Target as well for like $7. This is the best invention ever. They just go like that. So we're gonna blend it up until it gets nice and frothy and nice and thick. Shouldn't take very long. Heavy whipping cream is already pretty thick. Okay, this is actually taking a little longer than I thought. Need a little coffee break. Now all we have to do is pour it on top. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, this one wins the award for prettiest coffee. Can you guys see that? I filled it right to the brim. I probably could have put less cold brew so that I could put all the cream on the top, but let's try this. Okay, I'm gonna try to stir it as much as I can without getting it everywhere or making it spill. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, this is nice. This one's really smooth. Oh, especially with that soft cream on the top. Perfect. Oh, I love this. Yay! Mm. Okay, we're gonna take a break from the coffee drinks right now and move on to a tea. I love Starbucks chai tea. So today we're gonna make a simple iced chai tea latte with almond milk. I got this classic chai latte mix at Target. It's already prepared in the box. All we have to do is mix it with equal parts milk. You can use whatever milk you want. I always get my chai tea lattes with almond milk, so that's what we're gonna do today. Let's get her filled up with some ice. Okay, now we're gonna go halfway with the chai tea. Kind of nervous about this one. Oh, apparently my milk was open. And then the second half with some almond milk. Okay, give it a whirl. I'm a little skeptical about this one, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. I'll let you know. Oh, that's not bad. For the simplicity of it, I really do like it. It's got a nice flavor. Chai tea latte, super easy. Fourth drink, we're still going strong. It's time for the Frappuccino. Now, if I have received requests for any Starbucks drink, I would say the most popular one has been the Mocha Cookie Crumble Frappuccino. So that's what we're gonna make today. I'm gonna use this blender to blend everything up, and then we'll pour it into our mug. Now, this recipe that I'm gonna use, I am gonna use espresso, but if you don't want coffee or you want the cream-based Frappuccino, you can just skip the espresso and add more milk. We're gonna do 1 cup of ice. 2 tablespoons of chocolate sauce. I just have hot fudge, which is essentially the same thing. It's just a little thicker, so I think it'll work out just fine. Do I know? Absolutely not, but we're gonna go with it because either way, it's gonna be delicious. Oh, this stuff is thick. Now we're gonna do 1/4 cup of heavy cream, 2 Oreos. Where are my mini chocolate chips? 1/4 cup of mini chocolate chips or the regular ones. And then lastly, a 1/4 cup of espresso. I don't know how many shots that's gonna be. I feel like it's gonna be like 4 shots of espresso. I've never done it before, so we'll see. Maybe it's just 2. 4 sounds like a lot. Hey, it's 2 shots of espresso. Hey, you learn something new every day, ladies and gentlemen. I'll be the first to tell you if you didn't know. 2 shots of espresso is 1/4 of a cup. Perfect. Okay, yay, we don't have to do that again. See, this YouTube channel is educational. All right, where's our cup? Here it is. Get our espresso in there. Again, if you're not doing coffee, just put in 1/4 cup of milk. Perfect. All right, let's screw our blades on and get her going. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness gracious, this looks so yummy. In she goes. Whoa, oh my gosh. Perfect size. We love it. Oh, I can't wait to try this one. Y'all know the secret to any good Frappuccino is some whipped cream. So let's see if I can do the Starbucks Frappuccino whipped cream justice. Woo! And it's not complete without the cookie crumble. So we're gonna take another Oreo and I'm gonna carefully try to break it up on top of this drink. You know what? I like big chunks, so we're just gonna kind of stick it in like that. Yo! This looks marvelous. Check it out. Truly a work of art. Woo! Good thing I've got a lot of reusable straws. Okay, cheers. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh! Y'all, I'm gonna say it. I think I like this better than the Starbucks Frappuccino. Dang. Okay, if you're a coffee drinker, you've gotta try it with the espresso. If not, I'm sure it'll still taste good, but this is next level. This is wow. Holy, Oh my gosh, I need to set this down before, wait, oh my gosh, all of our drinks look so cute. Let's line them up. So you can see, I know we still have one left, but just like, check out the little family that we've got going. They're so happy. Yay! I love them. Okay, our last and final drink, I'm sure you've guessed it by now, is the refresher. Today, I'm gonna attempt to make the mango dragon fruit refresher. I'm not gonna lie, it was kind of hard to find these ingredients at the store, so I got what I could, but I'm really excited to see how it turns out. Okay, for this drink, they say to put freeze-dried dragon fruit in the bottom. I don't know where the heck you find that, but I do have some freeze-dried strawberries from another recipe I did, so we're gonna put some freeze-dried strawberries in the bottom because they're fruity and delicious. And then we're gonna do 1 teaspoon of pink pitaya powder. I found this on Amazon. I'll link it in the description below. 1 teaspoon, and put that in. This is mainly for color, so if you don't wanna spend the money to get this, totally don't have to. All right, we're gonna load this baby up with some ice. Now we're gonna do 1/4 cup of both mango juice, lemonade, and white grape juice. We'll start with 1/4 cup of grape juice. This is a mango passion fruit juice. And then last but not least is 1/4 cup lemonade. It's gonna be hard to get that pink color. Yeah, I don't know about it. It's looking a little crazy. Let's try. Oh! It's good, but it doesn't really taste like the refresher, I don't think. I think if I found regular mango juice, it would work. This is not bad though. The flavor of this is nice. It's very fruity and refreshing, but it doesn't, like if you were to order the mango dragon fruit refresher at Starbucks, this does not taste identical to that. If you're making it at home though, it's definitely a good substitute. Like this is great, I would drink this. Every single time I've tried to make a refresher, it's been hard like this. I don't know how to do it. If you know, let me know in the comments below. It is good though. It is good. I'll keep saying it, it's good. We've got our caramel macchiato, vanilla sweet cream cold brew, chai tea latte, mocha cookie crumble frappuccino, and our mango dragon fruit refresher. Wow, that was so fun. If I had to rate them, not that you're asking, I think my #1 is a tie between the mocha cookie crumble frappuccino and the caramel macchiato. Let me do them side by side now. But that is good too. If I wanted coffee, I'd go for this. If I wanted like ice cream milkshake type something, I would go for this. Both super, super great. Then I would do the cold brew, then the chai tea. No, you know what? I think the refresher and then the chai tea. Flavor-wise, I like this one better. Either way, they're all so good, they're all so fun. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make them. If you have any suggestions of other drinks you want me to try from Starbucks at home, put them in the comments below. Don't forget to check out the other Starbucks drinks I'm posting as shorts. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already, because did you know that 81% of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed? And that might be you. So if it's you, please do me a favor and support my channel. Hit that subscribe button. It means so much to me as a creator, you have no idea. So excited for this year and the family that we're growing. Thanks so much for being here. We'll see you next week. Bye.